Food, if you look at globally, food, it's very difficult to do D2C because of the reason is, if you look at the D2C model, unit economics, you need a, and it's a globally proven thing, and or especially if you look at even Southeast Asia works in India, you need a $8 to $10 AOV, which is a ticket size. You need a 70-80 GM, and because what happens is the ACOS or the cost of advertising starts up at 100% and moves to 40-50 in year 3. So that's the model. Now that food, unless it is in the nutraceuticals and those kind of things, traditional food has lower ticket size, and traditionally food has lower gross margin. And therefore food requires scale. So the food, if you look at all successful startup brands or food, look at Epigamia, the only people who have done a completely online, which is unbranded to branded, because there's a huge market, is Licious. But if you look at Licious, they are tapping on different gap, which is convenience and safety. And it also peaked during COVID because nobody wanted to go out to the wet market to buy. But to me, it is about getting meat at home, and which is safe, hygienic. So, but the market existed. But if you really look at it, if you look at all good food brands, whether it's Epigamia, look at some of the brands which have done well, ID, all have gone into brick and mortar straight away. There is very few, brands, which is on the e-commerce platform, which has scaled up just as a standalone e-commerce. They are now suffering from this average order value. See, you can't, the unit economics in food, there is very difficult to prove a path to profitability. That's why I give you that unit economics example. Now, if I go with a 70-80 GM, in year 3 or year 4 in a personal care, I can break even. I'll give you an example. The logistics cost of delivery is $40 average. Now, unless I have a 600, 500 rupees, ticket size, to spend $40 in logistics, food is very difficult. That's why I said nutraceuticals, functional foods, those are the kind of things like protein shakes, your omega-3, those kind of products are priced at that level, because otherwise everything food is $40, $50, $100. Only a brand like a protein shake or something will have the, what I call unit economics there, but then you have to bundle along with that.